Hi, welcome to Carmel Valley. We're in mid-Carmel Valley at 9500 Center Street, unit number 53. It's almost 1,050 square feet, and this is the best model in the whole complex. This complex is highly rated. Everybody wants to live here. It's right by Safeway and all the Mid-Valley shopping. So great location, beautiful sun. Here we are in late November, and it is a sunny day out here. Come on in. Let's go to the living room. I love this living room. It has beautiful built-ins. It has paneling that's been painted. I love that wood. And then wood built-ins. There's more wood built-ins and a fireplace over there, but come with me outside because I want you to see this extra large balcony, and you're overlooking the garden, the pools, and mountains. You've got the mountains all around. So this is the best view unit there is. You can just see how lovely it is. I'm in awe of it. It's going to sell very quickly. We'll walk back into the living room. This looks like wool Berber type carpet. Again, you've got your entry there. We walked in, you've got your beautiful built-in wood. You've got a lovely fireplace here that's also a heater, and more built-ins. So it's just got this charm. These are, I would say, more than double width windows. This is a wall of almost floor-to-ceiling windows with these views, and it is meticulously manicured out there. You have these beautiful window coverings throughout that all goes with the Carmel Valley ambiance. The ceilings feel high, but I think they're regular ceilings. We've got forced air. We have a water heater and the forced air unit right here. We've got a nice sized eat-in kitchen. Come on in here and look at all the cabinet space. We've got even an extra large pantry over here, and nice counters, dishwasher, sink, refrigerator, and an electric range. I always forget that word. Come on over, and we're gonna come back through the entryway. The front door is here. We're walking around again. Here's the living room and the balcony. Now we're gonna go into the 2 master suites. This place has more storage than you would ever imagine. There's a storage closet right here that's mirrored. This is a nice sized closet with built-in shelves. Now let's go into one of 2 master suites. Both master suites have their own full bathroom and 2 closets. A whole wall closet and a walk-in closet in each master suite. There is just no better layout. I love this layout. Look out the windows from this master suite. You are seeing the swimming pool, the manicured gardens, and more hill and mountain views. They've got every kind of tree in here. It's just beautiful. This one is a tub shower with lots of mirrors. You've got a built-in cabinet that opens over to the left. Nice pull-outs, tons of storage. And these two closets are huge. This is an extra large master bedroom. This bedroom is a tiny bit smaller, but it's a very large master bedroom. You've got a full bathroom, you've got a walk-in shower, you've got a wall closet, and you've got a walk-in closet. There. So check out that bathroom, and then I'm going to have you pull back with the camera and look at the views from this room, because you're looking at the mountains, and it is just gorgeous. If you hold it like that and sweep by all those mountain views, that is going to be the best morning wake up and evening tuck-in views. And let's just do one quick walk around again through the house. I love that it's an open floor plan, and you can walk in. You'll see how we walk around the kitchen, but if you come through again, notice that this whole area is opened up. So you're right here in the kitchen. You could be cooking and entertaining at the same time. The flow is perfect. And then you have your patio to walk out to. There is also even more storage downstairs that we will show you in a photograph separate from the video. Thanks so much for joining us. Oh, let me tell you again the address and the price. We're at 9500 Center Street, Unit 53 in Carmel Valley. That's Mid-Valley, right behind the Safeway, or right near the Safeway. And we have a carport and extra storage. 2 full closets in each master suite bedroom, one with a tub shower and one with a walk-in shower. Best layout ever. This is listed for only $549K. It is going to go so fast, so get ready.